Grants in Aid of Research. $5,000, $4,000, $1,000. For a young researcher, it means a lot.
The Sigma Psi Grant in Aid was the first real competitive prize that I ever got. And to get it at that time, you know, I was 20 years old, newly married, didn't know whether we'd make it through the year. That first grant, those first $200, that really made an enormous difference. It's remarkable how I remember the day where we got the grant.
The individual researcher is the very heart and soul of American science. It's the very means of success. The notion that big teams of researchers are the only way that modern science can be conducted, I think is fallacious. You've got to have both. And therefore, I think Sigma Xi, because it provides those small grants to the individual researcher, keeps the flame of the individual scientist burning.
I have received a Sigma Xi grant in aid of research. This research let me go out into the field and get the material that I analyzed for a publication. This is an octopus that was collected off of the West Coast. It was like a bigger brother came by and put his hand on my shoulder and said, "You're worth the risk."
Obtaining the Sigma Xi grant, I believe, is going to allow me to step from being just a late-stage graduate student over to someone who can submit for larger grant funding.
Clearly, the grants in aid are the most significant for the young scientist, and I think it gives a sense of satisfaction as well to those who participate in making the selection and making the awards. This is the kind of interaction between the mentor and the student that makes such a big difference in science.